Do you feel like there just isn't enough time in the day? Like there's this constant pull between managing life, home, family, fun, and then you throw a business into the mix? But your ambitious drive just won't let you give in or give up. Well, if that's you, Monday Momentum is the weekly dose of systemizing strategies that you've been looking for. Hey y'all, I'm Crystal P. Sherrill, and welcome to Monday Momentum. Monday is my favorite day of the week, so what better day to launch my YouTube channel than Monday? I am super elated and super excited to be here with you, sharing my strategies for systemizing life and business and home and all the things in between. But you're probably wondering, why Mondays, Crystal? Well, Mondays are a new start. It's a fresh opportunity. Anything that didn't work last week is behind me. Anything that didn't go well, oh well. And Mondays allow for fresh ideas, fresh opportunities, and just new adventures into my journey for life and business. So, Mondays are my favorite day of the week, and I'm here to make Mondays your favorite day of the week. So, what's to systems? Systems are just processes and procedures or habits and routines that allow you to get to a goal or a result sooner. They allow you to save energy, time, money in lots of cases, and they truly empower you to accomplish the things that you set out to accomplish. But there are some myths about systems that I am going to debunk in this video. The first myth is systems are robotic. That is actually the furthest thing from the truth. Systems have so much room for creativity and personalization. Systems are about your life, your business, your career, the things that surround you and are important to you. The second myth about systems is that systems are boring. Systems are actually quite enjoyable. You get to customize systems for the things that matter the most to you. You get to customize systems on how you need to move through life, what you need to accomplish, how your day is set up, what time you wake up, what time you go to sleep. Systems are for your life. And all systems don't work for everyone. So what we're going to be doing here on Monday Momentum is really exploring a variety of systems. I'm going to share systems that have worked for me as a single mom, as a career mom, as a business mom, and I am going to share systems that have worked for my clients. I'm going to share systems that have worked for my children, for my friends, and other people that I've supported with systemizing how they move through life and how they accomplish their goals. The third myth about systems is that systems are hard. There are actually a lot of easy systems out there. For instance, one that my children and I have are our monthly meal planning system. We sit down, we plan all of our meals for the month. This minimizing how many trips I have to take to the grocery store. How systems aren't all we'll be talking about here on Monday Momentum. Weekly, you can expect strategies on planning, organization, optimizing, and really being intentional about creating a space to focus on your dreams and your endeavors and your ideas. Really giving you the strategies to plan what's ahead, and get the momentum to move forward. So, weekly, join me here so we can dive in, get real tips, real strategies. So, let me know below, what systems have you been struggling with? What are some systems in your life or your business or your career that would really propel you to the next level? And if you haven't already, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. And well, until next time, I'll be somewhere planning my way through life.